Well, I just got the car. Datsun 280 set. And first thing, I just already got it stuck on the gravel. It's way too low. The previous owner cut the springs to see how it looks lower down. So, struggling. That beautiful sound. Full of crap inside. All the parts should come with everything. It's a full restoration. Most of the things are out already. Need to get the dashboard out and make a new one. So basically I'm gonna just unload it, put it in this place, and start working on it. So we'll be doing the standard things. Bought it from a seller 100 miles away. Came with most of the things in it. All the interior, everything was taken apart already. I also have that thing. I had to remove it because the bonnet was stuck. I couldn't open it. That's a bit stuck. I need to review it. Good. I got it because it has no rust at all, which is difficult to find a car with no rust. 5-gear manual transmission. So the only thing missing to remove is the dash. I'll be getting soon to that. So yeah, I really struggled to open the hood. It was completely locked. So I managed to open it because I could have removed the bolts of the bonnet. There's 2 bolts. You can just remove the bolts here and the bonnet will come up. But I want to try first though. This vent was almost loose, so I managed to get the hand in, undo the bolts, and then right underneath, if you go deeper in, you can actually touch the lock for the bonnet. So I just put shitloads of WD-40 in it, and now it opens perfectly fine. Pop. Standard 2.8 engine. Needs a bit of love. Everything is like broken. No battery. There was some fire. Looks like there was some fire in that corner. It's really hacked. Need to go through it slowly. So I'm a bit afraid of starting it up. So I will obviously review. Because of that fire, I'm not so sure of if I want to plug a battery and try to start it up straight away. So I will go through all the cables. Maybe I only leave connected the main connections just to run the engine, alternator, starter motor, and so on. So it is extremely low. Previous owner wanted to see how it looks lower down, so he straight away chopped the springs. So now the car is stuck on the gravel. So it's gonna be here for a while. It's quite good. Everything's okay. Then the hydraulics stay on. Awesome. That's definitely rat poop. Yeah. Not bad. Not bad. Comes from the desert, so still some. Well, I will update you as I go.